Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that describes something that soothes or relieves pain. Anodyne. It might seem a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is anodyne. Let's break it down. First we have an, which sounds like an in and. Next is which sounds like the U in sofa. Finally, dine, which rhymes with wine. Now let's put it all together. Anodyne. Try repeating after me. Anodyne. Now a little faster. Anodyne. And at full speed. Anodyne. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Anodyne refers to something that soothes or alleviates pain or discomfort, often used in the context of medications or calming effects. It can also describe something that is bland or unoffensive, and that's it. Now you know how to pronounce anodyne and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.